Have you ever wondered why we experience the world the way we do? Let's explore the fascinating world of sensation and perception in psychology. Sensation is the process of receiving information from our environment. Perception is how we interpret and make sense of that information. For example, when we see a red apple, our eyes detect the wavelength of light reflecting off the apple, and our brain interprets it as red. This is perception at work. Our perception can be influenced by various factors, such as past experiences, expectations, and context. This is why two people can experience the same event differently. Understanding sensation and perception can help us better understand ourselves and others. It can also help us make better decisions and avoid biases.